Imagine waking up in a home that no one else has ever lived in before. The walls are untouched, the appliances are brand new, the floor plan reflects the latest in design thinking, open, light-filled, and built with intention. This isn't just a dream. It's the experience of buying new construction in the Bay Area. Over the next 15 minutes, we're going to unpack the real story behind new homes in one of the most competitive real estate markets in America. Why are more buyers gravitating toward new builds despite rising interest rates and limited land supply? What should you know before walking into that sleek model home? And most importantly, how can you turn this knowledge into power when it's your turn to buy? Let's start with a story. Meet Olivia and James. They're in their early 30s, both working in tech. After years of renting, they were ready to put down roots, but didn't want to spend their weekends tearing up carpets or replacing 50-year-old plumbing. They toured more than 20 resale homes. Everyone needed work. Everyone had something hidden, mold, shaky foundations, roofs that hadn't been replaced since the 80s. Frustrated, they expanded their search and stumbled upon a development in Dublin, just outside of Silicon Valley. There, they found a newly built townhouse with 3 bedrooms, solar panels already installed, and pre-wired smart home features. And perhaps more importantly, they found clarity. The builder's sales agent didn't just give them a flyer, she walked them through financing options tailored for new construction. Olivia learned how closing costs can sometimes be covered by the builder. James asked about prepayment penalties and got a crash course in rate locks. Here's the part most people miss. New construction isn't just about the home. It's about education. Builders, especially in competitive markets like the Bay Area, are motivated to make the process understandable. Why? Because their business depends on it. So you'll often find more transparency, more structured timelines, and more flexibility compared to the traditional resale market. Let's break that down. First, the timeline. With a resale property, you're often on the seller's clock. Negotiations can fall apart over inspections or last-minute repairs. With new construction, there's a build schedule. It's not perfect, delays happen, but there's structure. Second, customization. Want a downstairs bedroom instead of a den? Done. Prefer quartz countertops over granite? No problem. New construction allows you to tailor your space before it's even built. Third, the warranties. This is a big one. In California, most new homes come with a 10-year structural warranty, plus shorter-term coverage on systems and materials. That means fewer surprise expenses after you move in. Now let's talk location. You might be thinking, isn't the Bay Area already built out? In some places, yes. But if you look to the edges, Brentwood, Mountain House, Morgan Hill, you'll find dozens of new communities springing up. Builders are prioritizing transit access, walkability, and proximity to good schools. And here's a strategic point. These peripheral areas often appreciate faster over time because they start at a lower base price. If you're thinking long-term wealth, these emerging neighborhoods are worth your attention, but not everything is perfect. New homes can come with higher HOA fees. Some communities may lack mature landscaping or public infrastructure in the early years, and you'll need to be diligent, read the CC&Rs, understand the builder's track record, and verify what's standard versus an upgrade. So what can you do today if you're thinking about going this route? First, get pre-approved specifically for new construction. Some lenders offer extended rate locks up to 1 year, critical if your home won't be move-in ready for months. Second, visit model homes with a list. Ask about timelines, warranties, customization, and incentives. Builders often offer credits toward closing costs, appliance packages, or design upgrades. Third, think like an investor. Will this home appeal to future buyers? Is the neighborhood growing? Are local schools improving? Even if you're buying for yourself, your future self will thank you for asking these questions now. And remember, in real estate, your first decision is rarely your last, but each one can set the foundation for something bigger. New construction in the Bay Area isn't for everyone, but for many, especially first-time buyers, busy professionals, or those looking to minimize maintenance, it's a compelling option. It's a place to start fresh, to learn, to build not just equity, but understanding. In our next episode, we'll explore financing in detail, construction loans, builder mortgages, and what to watch out for in today's interest rate environment. Until then, keep learning, keep asking, and keep building your path forward.